Hi, folks. Jason C. Scott here, 20-year United States Army combat retired veteran and top 1% mortgage loan originator, specializing in the VA home loan benefit. And today's video and videos, we're talking about something that's near and dear to my heart, which is building your financial freedom by leveraging the VA home loan benefit. Serving in the military, you're given amazing opportunities and tools to do this. However, most of you probably just aren't aware of them. And that's what this set of videos are going to do. We're going to break it down. And I'm actually going to leverage the help of my grandchildren to help make this fun and enjoyable.
Number one, VA loan.
The VA loan, probably the most powerful tool or benefit that is available to you just through your service to this great country. And here's why. One, civilians don't have access to it. Two, zero down, 100% financing when buying a home. That is extremely powerful. And the reason why I say that is my own experience. Buying a home when I lived in Hawaii on the island of Oahu, the median sales price of a home there at the time was around $700K, but we found a home for $568. A civilian, in order to buy that same home that we purchased, is going to put anywhere from 3 to 5 to 10, 15 to 20% down. 20% for every 100K, right, is $20,000. And as a military member or someone that has served, let's be honest, most military members have less than $6,000 in liquid assets at any given time. So to put $20,000 down, that's a pretty tall order. Wouldn't you agree? Where with the VA home loan benefit, 0% down, relaxed FICO score requirements. In fact, the VA home loan benefit doesn't even require a FICO score. It's up to each individual lender as far as an overlay of what they want to have for minimums. Very competitive interest rates. When you go apples to apples, VA loan compared to a conventional loan for a primary residence, typically the spread is at least 3/4 to 1 full point, sometimes even 1.5 in interest. Meaning, if the VA loan is at 6%, that conventional loan is going to be anywhere from 7 or 6.75, 7 or 7.5%. That is a huge difference in monthly payment, right? And the last, but most actually not really talked about, is the fact that you don't have mortgage insurance. So when a civilian buys a home using a conventional loan product and they don't put at least 20% down, they have what's called mortgage insurance. Now, that's not to help protect them. That's to protect the lender, right? And that's an additional payment that they make each month that doesn't even go towards the principal balance of the loan. Where with a VA loan, you have no mortgage insurance. Your payment actually knocks down the principal and covers the interest at the same time.
How does owning a home help you build wealth?
So, how does owning a home help you build wealth? Well, as you own a home and you're making your payment, you're paying down the principal balance of the actual mortgage itself. At the same time, your home is also appreciating in value. This is what we call appreciation. You're therefore creating equity. The adverse is true as well. When you're renting a home, you're making a rental payment every month. There's literally nothing coming back to you other than you're helping the landlord increase their equity savings in their actual property that you're living in. Now, once you've built up enough appreciation, you have a couple different options. One, you could sell the property, right? You sell the property, the net profits that you make, that's your money, right? Or you could do what we've done. Each home that we've bought where we've had appreciation, we were able to do a refinance, tap into those equity reserves, pull out money and invest it into other opportunities, major purchases, stuff of that nature. Basically, you're building your own personal bank that you can liquidate at any time once you actually have the appreciation and the value there.
Budgeting and saving is crucial.
Budgeting and saving are key parts of this financial journey. Yes, the VA home loan is 100% financing with zero down, but you also have to take into account monthly, maintenance costs, homeowners insurance, taxes, and of course, Murphy. We all know who Murphy is, right? If things can happen, it will happen. And making payments and sticking to a budget and saving over time, every little bit, no matter how little it is or how big it is huge in the grand scheme or the macro portion of this picture.
Let's talk investments.
Now let's talk about the other side of it, investing, right? You may be thinking, Jay, with the VA home loan, how's that investing? Well, typically most people use their VA home loan benefit to just buy a single home, and that's their primary residence, which is great. However, I like to talk a little bit about something called house hacking. Imagine buying a duplex, triplex, or a multiplex where you live in one side and you rent out all the others. Collecting the rents from the other portions, whether it's a duplex, triplex, or multiplex, the rents that receive from those typically can match or even exceed the monthly mortgage payment. Therefore, now you're truly investing by leveraging other people's money to help you grow your financial portfolio.
Your VA loan is your launch pad.
When you think about it, the VA home loan really is a launch pad when it comes to real estate investing, especially when you compare it to your counterparts that have not served this country and do not have this benefit available to them, right? 100% financing, zero down payment. You buy a home. Now, if you're serving in the military, that home, typically you're going to live in it 1 to 3 years, right? And at the end of your commitment to the location that you're at, you're going to have a choice, right? I can sell the home or I could potentially rent it out if the market is favorable to you to do that, right? Now imagine being able to do that at multiple locations through a 5, 10, 15, 20-year career. Now you can see where the math, it starts to add up, right? So remember, real estate investing does seem intimidating, but it is actually quite simple. But first you have to have a plan, you have to have a budget, and you need to make sure that you save as you're doing it. Hopefully you found these tools insightful, and we look forward to speaking to you again. Don't forget to subscribe or comment down below. Share your story. We'd love to hear it. Make it a great day, and aloha.